That's perfect.
Okay, guys.
All right, welcome back.
Welcome back to another video.
We had lots of fun last time, and we thought we all like vine leaf rolls,
Yes.
and we don't like it from the shops.
No, we don't.
So we're gonna make our own, all right?
Oh, delicious.
You're gonna love it. My children do too.
This video is dedicated to...
Jocelyn, my daughter, because she loves them, and we can't
Yeah.
make enough of them. We can have them vegetarian, or we can have them with meat, with lamb neck bones in between. But there's never enough to share around.
I eat them all.
All right, let's just go into
Alright,
it
guys. We hope you enjoy.
now. All right, we're gonna have fun now.
Alright, see you.
Bye. Don't fancy the tinned one. Get rid of this
Oh,
one.
yuck.
No tinned food for us. All you need is these. Wash them, chop them, mix them with some rice and some herbs. Roll up your leaves. And
So what is that? Lemon, tomato.
Very basic. Some leftover onion I had. Leftover lemon which I had just used. Some tomatoes. And I had a big bunch of parsley and there's still some left, so I don't know what to do with it. And there's mint.
Oh, yum. We love a good hairnet. We love.
Okay guys, under the parsley, stems one side, leaves on the other side. Now we're going to cut the stems off. We don't need these, but the chickens can have them.
Yep.
All right.
Waste nothing.
So basically we're going to chop, and it doesn't have to be very fine at this stage, because this is going to get all cooked.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. This is what a anib.
Like an anib.
Vine leaf.
Vine
isn't
leaf.
it? Vine leaves.
Yes, it's not tabbouleh. Tabbouleh you have to do it
Vegetarian.
very nice and very fine. Yeah, this is the vegetarian vine leaf rolls. So we're going to continue in this way. Until it's all done up.
What?
My daughter is very helpful in the kitchen.
Why are you being sarcastic? Huh? Oh, it's not very helpful.
But no, it gives us something to laugh about. Now we add some salt to the water and we wash it. To make sure it's very clean. And you might have to do it 2, 3 or even 4 times. With a knife. These are great knives. Have a look at these. Brand knife. They're beautiful knives. Affordable and they always do the job perfectly. They come in different sizes and shapes. You're sure to find one that you like. Now again, you don't have to be very precise, but normally finely chopped tomato is what we want to put in.
Excuse me, Mom. I thought it was on your phone.
Show everybody, what have you done? So we had leftover pastry.
So we just put butter and sugar, put it in the oven. Now it's dessert.
Yum. With a cup of tea. I know what would go nice with that one.
What is it?
My favourite iced coffee, the one that I made.
Oh, hey, I made it.
No, but I'll make it for them this time.
Oh, yeah.
You've taught me.
Alright.
Okay. I'll make this one first. Now that we've had dinner, we can work. The night's still nice and young, and we're not wasting not one moment. So here's the tomato. We're adding it to the rice. And here's the pasta and the meat that we've washed. It doesn't have to be dried or anything. Not like making tabbouleh, because this is going to be cooked. And we add some more tomato, but you can add as much or as little as you like. It's not a must do. Some onion will be good, so next we'll need onion. Happy child?
Happy child. Marie's.
Hi, friend. You can smell it happening?
Yeah. Smells beautiful.
Yeah, we have good food happening here. We're almost done as well. We've done a few different
Make
things.
it some vegetarian water. I need.
Won't be ready for a while though. It's not one of those things you can rush. Mm. What is this, paparazzi? I'm not that popular yet. I'm not famous. Okay. Always add your salt and if possible pepper to the onion as soon as you're able to stop it from going off. Because it's a very powerful thing, onion, and you don't want it to get ruined. I'll get my secret spice mix, but it's not really secret. I'll share it with you. It's 1 part. Can I tell them?
Tell them.
Okay, 1 part pimento, 1 part cumin, and 1 part black pepper.
Oh.
All ground together, but don't ground them too finely, okay? You want to keep the flavour in. That's my secret, and goes very well. Gonna add a little bit extra white pepper, a little bit of extra cumin, a little bit extra. And some oil. Vegetables, all's fine. Doesn't have to be olive. Now we mix it and we taste it. It should be lemony, a bit extra peppery, because in the cooking that will sort of disappear. So you want to have extra spice. You can add more or less tomatoes if you like. Basically, these are the ingredients you need. And if you're lucky like me, you've frozen your leaves, your vine leaves earlier on in the season, and now you've got them. I just took them out and defrosted them. There they are. Now, in years gone by, I would have made this into 3 little rolls.
Wow.
But nowadays I'm very busy. I've got no time for little intricate work. That's going to be just 1. I'm not subdividing them. As I said before, the night's still young, but there's a lot of work to be done. Right, Crystal?
True.
True. Alright, so we're going to make it easy for ourselves. Oh, wait a minute.
The roses, so there's a...
Roses?
No, the rose.
Oh, yeah.
There's no...
Ready? Alright. Alright. We've got the essentials in there. Now we've got to taste it. Mmm. It's definitely zesty. Mmm. There's plenty of lemon juice in there. Beautiful. And if you like anything, now's the time to add it. That's perfect. It's going to be sitting here. And we're going to show you roughly the technique. I might use the same spot. Now get the leaves. The nice shiny side down. This is the rough side here. And you basically fill it up. You can put as much or as little as you like. Lebanese have never known to like them big fat ones. So if you're let's say if you have a dinner party on, you wouldn't want them thick at all. You want nice, as fine as you can get them. Roll it up tight. It's just tucked in the ends. There you go, look at it.
Wow.
Eventually,
You squeeze out the juices.
yes. And we're going to lay them nicely in the pan. But first we line the pan, if you like, with tomato slices. And then we stack them up. We're going to do the whole lot in the same way. Bearing in mind rice expands when it's cooked. So you've got to allow for that. As we said before, we're going to line the saucepan with some sliced tomatoes. Some people like to add a bit of sliced onion, sliced carrots. Well, that's personal.
Show us the inside of it, Mum. How's it looking?
This is the inside of the saucepan.
Oh, wow.
This adds flavour and stops the vine rolls from sticking
Oh.
and burning.
I didn't know that.
Alright? So that's what we're going to do. And this is how we stack them. All around. And we come in to the centre. Okay. Later on. Hi. In a perfect world, if I had more time to do this, I would actually divide this into two to make it nice and small, slim rolls, and also to get rid of this central vein, which can be a little bit tough. We take it off this way, and then we continue filling in, a little bit of filling at a time, rolling at once, tucking in the edges, like so. This would be in another time, when people had more time for cooking. These would be the skinny ones and not the fatter version.
Oh, yeah.
See the difference?
Yep.
But that's in a perfect world, and right now we're in a hurry, so we're going to have to just take things as they are. Not bad, eh?
Not bad at all.
Alright, we've still got some way to go. We'll get back to you as we come closer to finalising.
Watching the latest episode.
Yeah?
Thank you!
I still haven't finished watching it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Look, behind the scenes.
One of the things.
Oh wow! Man. So that's where the magic happens.
Yeah.
We're still learning because okay, finally we've done the last leaves. They're all rolled up and stacked on top of each other. We're just going to add a bit of extra lemon, olive oil and seasoning before we put it on the stove to cook. If you like, you can pour it into the bowl.
We're ready. You get anything for yourself?
Just a second, we're filming. The extra herbs. My salt. Bit of extra oil. Olive oil is good, but if you don't have that on hand, that's fine too. Let's give it a good swish. Pour it on top. And we're going to need a little bit of extra water, maybe about a cupful. And now, we've got to get a plate or something heavy to put on top to stop the leaves from floating. Inverted plate is good. And if we need to, we can put some weights on it. In the olden days, my mum used to put a rock. But I have better ideas. We'll show you soon. Here's a makeshift for a rock or something heavy. We just put some water in a coffee brewer. And we're standing it right on top of the plate to give it weight. That should be good. Once that boils, we can turn the temperature down to very, very low. Cover it with a lid and let it steam. The longer it stays cooking, the tenderer it'll be. Welcome guys back. It's nearly midnight and our food's nearly ready. It smells amazing. I decided to add some chopped tomatoes at the end to give it extra flavor. And apart from that, it should be all ready. So I'm going to turn it off and I'll let it rest for half an hour before serving. So I'll catch you later. This is my son's favorite, so I'm going to make it the way he likes it. He loves extra spice, so here it goes. I've added extra white, extra black pepper, extra Himalayan salt. And lemon juice is here if he needs to squeeze on as much as he likes.
Excuse me.
What's in there?
That's mine.
No.
Look at this girl.
I'm going to jump fence if I have to.
No.
No way.
Oh, yum. There's some tomatoes in there. Okay, but this is the stuff that I want. Hand it over, Missy.
Next time, we'll go to Umtoni next door. She's the guru in vinyl.
Oh, yeah.
She makes beautiful wine. She'll make a whole pot, 13 litres. I was just in a hurry.
We're just
She
doing
makes
it
some
quickly.
beautiful, nicely fine rolls. Not like the ones I had to rush last night.
Oh, but it's still delicious.
Hi, Jules. Yes, absolutely. Come. Yes, vine leaves are ready. Yeah, bring Anton and Haifa. Who else? Isabel? That's fine. Of course, the more the merrier. All right. Catch you then. Bye. Hey, guys. Yes. Bring Fred as well. My friends don't stop. Hey, guys, you're welcome as well. Bring the family and come along. Have some. It's on me. And it's not going to end with vine leaves, you know. There's more of something else to come. See you around.
From Co.
And Curly.
See you next time.
See you next time.
And there you have it, folks.
Ooh, that was good.
Wait, stop sides. Sorry.
Sure.
And there you have it, folks.
That was fun. You know what? I love dipping mine in yogurt. What was your best experience? Why don't you guys let us know?
Flavors. Yeah, you guys make it and let us know.
Let us know how you both enjoyed it. Ciao.
Don't forget to like.
Absolutely. And follow us.
Yes, and comment, share, subscribe.
We love you guys.
Do all of that.
Until then, bye for now. Okay. All right.